Stanford University, California, from Hoover's home. Stanford students celebrated Herbert Hoover's nomination for the presidency with red fire and friendly riot. Mr. and Mrs. Herbert Hoover at home. Up from the sidewalks of New York came Al Smith, and New York acclaimed Al and his brown derby when he was nominated for the presidency. With Mayor Jimmy Walker, Governor Smith rode triumphantly through his boyhood street. President-elect Hoover's grandchild leads the family in news of his election. Chief Justice Taft swearing in Herbert Hoover as President of the United States. And here is the most ambitious achievement of the Hoover administration: the gigantic Boulder Dam, designed with its blasting of mountains and taming of rivers to irrigate 235 million acres and banish forever the scourge of drought.